Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to program a Cadillac Srx garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console. To begin, you must clear any existing codes. Press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons for about 20 seconds. The indicator light will first flash slowly, then rapidly, confirming that the memory is now completely clear and ready for new programming. This crucial first step ensures a clean slate for your new settings. For rolling code systems, park your Cadillac Srx outside the garage, facing the door. Simultaneously press and hold your chosen home link button and your garage door remote button. The home link indicator light will change from a slow flash to a rapid flash. Next, press the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, typically found near the antenna. Return to your vehicle and press the programmed home link button 3 times to complete the synchronization. If you have a fixed code system, the process is slightly different. Park your Cadillac Srx outside the garage, facing the door. Hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Press and hold your desired home link button and the garage door remote button at the same time. Release both buttons once the home link indicator light begins to flash rapidly. Finally, test the programmed button to ensure your garage door operates correctly and smoothly. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your original garage door remote has fresh batteries. Sometimes, simply repositioning your remote at different angles during programming can help. For older garage door openers, you might need a new remote control if the original is not transmitting effectively. If problems persist, consider contacting your garage door opener manufacturer for specific model instructions or further assistance. Don't give up. A working home link is very convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.